Hi guys, I'm Patrick and today we are going to continue our tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a grouped table view controller or just a table view. So what you want to do is open up the last project we did, select the table view, go here to the attribute inspector if I'm correct, and instead of style plain select grouped. And that's all the things you got to do in the storyboard. Let's run the project now and see what exactly happened when we did that. This is not it. Okay, let's run it again and let's see what happens. Okay, here we have it. So you see, the interface is a little bit different than the last time. I'll just remove these shadows so it's not that laggy, but you see there is something here above. That's because of the grouped table view layout. So let's just remove the shadows. Let's just remove it, we don't need it. So let's run it again and see exactly what do we have different than the last time. Here we have it. So it has this like blank spot on the top. So what exactly do we do with it? Well, what you want to do is type in table view, title for header in section. Let's select that, and here it's going to bring up, so it's not the index path but for section. So let's just return images. Let's do that for now and see what happens. So now, as you can see on the top, it says images, which is exactly what we wanted. But here is just images and that's it. Do we want something else maybe? Of course. So what you want to do is go here, type down table view, and you scroll down all the way to number of sections in table view. Let's return 2, or let's return 5, and let's make it 5 rows in section. So now what has happened is we have 5 rows per section, which is exactly what we wanted. But what if we want a wide variety of numbers of rows in the sections? We'll use a switch statement. So let's just do switch section, case 0 return 1, case 1 return 2, case 3 return 5, case 4 return 3, let's say case, oh that's 1, 2, we forgot 2, case 2 return, let's say 4, and default let's just return 0 because that's not going to happen. So let's run it now and we'll see in the first section 1 row, in the second section 2, then 4, 5 and 3. Let's check if that exactly happens. So wait till the simulator starts. So first section is 1 row, second section is 2 rows, third section is 4 rows, fourth section is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and the last section, the final, the fifth one, is 3 rows, exactly as we said. Now let's just change a text from section to section. How do we do that? Well, we are going to do, so it's going to be row number 1 in which section. So let's just change it to +1 so it says row number 1. And let's say section number, we use index path dot section +1. So let's see now what happens. It should just write out row number 0 in section number 1, or actually row number 1 in section number 1, row number 2, you see row number 1 section number 1, These are the section 2, third section, fourth, and fifth. And it counts from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's exactly what we wanted. But what if we want to write something here under the section? We can also do that. Type in table view, title for footer in section. Let's return end of images. So let's see what happens now. It should just write out end of images under the section, under each section. So let's see if it does exactly what we wanted. It does. Images, end of images, images, end of images, images, end of images, images, end of images, images, end of images. That's exactly how we wanted it to work. So yeah guys, this will be it from the grouped table view basics. In the next one we are going to learn how to create different table view cells, different custom table view cells for different sections. So make sure to tune in for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and share it with your friends that want to learn programming. So yeah guys, bye, I'll see you in the next one.